In this video, we are going to see how to create a new project. So you have a two-way to create a new project. First, file, click on new. So it will open your new project detail. Second one, if you see, this is the plus sign. If I select this plus, so now my window will appear. So first thing it will ask, select EPS. So in last video, we have seen our enterprise project structure. So now we are going to create a metro project and detailed baseline program. So I will select my EPS in metro detail work program. I will select this. Next. So it will ask me a project ID and project name. In normal situations, the project ID generally belongs the project codes like BH01 tender. In if you see the bullet train C1, C2, C3, C4, so it will like track project or civil project. So suppose we are taking an example of C1 package and the civil construction. So we will type C1 and simple CIV. So this is my project ID. So project ID is generally based on the project name or project package number like BH01, BH03, IN02, IN03, DMRC 14, CC14, CC27. You have listened like that. In Nagpur, reach 1, reach 2. Now project name. So basically here your detailed project name will come like design and construction of suppose 6.3 kilometer stations, viaduct and six elevated stations. So like that, this is your project name. Next is your planned project start. So basically, planned project start is the date of your commissioning or the first data date from where you schedule your project. For example, uh, I will take my project start date from Monday, this is 16th. And what do you mean by much finished by? So every project have a dates like 27 months, 30 months, or something like that. So, why you required much finish by? So, I will show you in the next video why the much finish date is required while planning your project. So, it's totally depend upon the numbers of day, numbers of month in your project timeline or your project details. So I will show the importance of that during the calculation of total flow. So currently we are putting this as a blank. So next it will ask the responsible manager. So we also create organization breakdown structure. So generally we select the top tier of the project. So if I go this filter by all OBS. So I will select project manager. So this is my the lead of the project. So that's why I'm selected project manager. Next, rate type. So generally we put price per unit. So you do not need to change this. Next and finish. So now you can see your project is being created under the DWP EPS. So you can see there is certain columns in your project details. So if you want to add more columns, so you have to come here, columns. So here you can base on the size, based on the responsible manager, even based on the dates. So it's having a start and finish date and the data date. Data date means the date on which your project is scheduled. So last is your customized column. You can come to customize. If you come to percentage complete, so you can add your performance complete and schedule complete. So these are two major elements. Again, numbers of activity, you want to see how many activities. So you can select total activities. So these are the different columns you can add in your project details. Apply. Okay. So all are this your columns. Currently it's showing zero because you have not added any activities. Now, if you want to copy paste your project, so you right click here, you can select copy. If you want to do a monthly update, so you can then paste the project here. Okay, so your project is copy and paste another EPS. Same if you want to delete. So right click from here, you can delete or you can select this and delete. And if you want to open your project, right click, open project. So this is your project, which is your Primavera first layout. So we will also see the all the details what you find in file, edit, view, project, enterprise, tool and admin.